Hi, I'm Nick from Jordanbikes and welcome to another of our videos. And today we're selling this Yamaha MT-10 2018 model. It's a one owner bike and it was new in April 2018. This is the latest version which comes with the quickshifter. We spent a couple of quid on it as well. It's got some nice extras, some radiator guards, the R&G crash protection there. It's got a Yamaha comfort seat, that's a few hundred quid, a lot better than the standard seat. And it's got these bar end mirrors as well. It's also got a tank bag as well which clips on there. So this uses the Crossplane engine that it shares with the R1. Fantastic stonking engine. Oh, it's got Yamaha heated grips as well, I almost forgot. It's done just 989 miles in its entire life. And they come with ABS, traction control, power modes, and as I say, the quick shifter as well. I'll start it up so you can have a little listen to it. And the bike, as you'd expect with that mileage, is just immaculate. They're basically just a super bike but in a comfortable package, particularly with this comfort seat. Really nice and easy to ride, but they are super bike power and super bike handling. So there you go, you've seen the bike. If you fancy it, give us a shout. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.